Good morning, students. I am GP Gupta sir. Today I will teach you comparison of the fraction. So, students, there are two types of the fraction. As you know that first is like fraction and second is unlike fraction. So, comparing between two like fractions, it is very simpler. Let us see with one examples. For examples, compare 5/3 and 2/3. So students, as you can see that here two fractions having the same denominators, that's why these are like fraction. So when the like fractions are given, we compare their numerators only. For example, numerator is here 5 and the numerator of the second fraction is 2. So we know that 5 is greater than 2. So that's why the fraction having the greater numerator will be greater fraction than second one. So 5/3 is greater than 2/3, student. So as you have seen here, it is very simple to compare the two fractions. First fraction is that 5/3 and the second fraction is 2/3. So student, both fractions are the like fractions. दोनों फ्रैक्शन बेटा आपकी लाइक फ्रैक्शन है बिकॉज दिस फ्रैक्शंस हैविंग द सेम डिनोमिनेटर्स. दोनों फ्रैक्शंस के डिनोमिनेटर्स सेम है. तो नाउ वी कंपेयर देयर न्यूमरेटर्स. उनके न्यूमरेटर्स को कंपेयर करते हैं. तो यू फाइंड हियर द न्यूमरेटर ऑफ द फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन इज 5 हियर एंड द न्यूमरेटर ऑफ द सेकंड फ्रैक्शन इज 2 हियर. सो 5 इज ग्रेटर देन 2. 5 is greater than 2. So that's why the fraction having the greater numerator will be the greater fraction and the fraction having the lower numerator or smaller numerator will be a smaller fraction. So that's why 5/3 is greater than 2/3, student. So now we shall see the comparison of unlike fraction. Comparison of unlike fraction. So for example, students, you know that those fractions having the different denominators are called unlike fraction. For example, here compare 2/5 and 1/3. 1/3, student. So you can see that both the fraction having the different denominator. First fractions having the numerator as 5 and the second fraction having the numerator as 3. So first of all, to compare them, we convert this fraction into the like fraction. We make their denominator same. For making the denominator same, first of all we take the LCM. LCM of 5 and 3. 5 and 3. So the LCM of 5 and 3 will be equal to the 15. So now students, we take the first fraction here 2/5 and we make their denominator with the same as LCM equal to LCM. So now here the denominator is 5. So that's why for making it 15, we have to multiply by 3 in denominator. So with the same numbers, we have to also multiply by 3 in the numerator also. So students, after multiplication, what will you get? 2 by into 6, 2 into 3, sorry, 2 into 3, 6 you will get, and 5 into 3 we shall get 15. After that, in the same manner, we can also convert the second fraction into the like fraction. We make their denominator equivalent as the LCM. So to make it equivalent in LCM, we have to multiply by 5 here, and with the same number we have to multiply in numerator also. Now you will see that now the denominator will become same 15 and the numerator will be here 5. So you can see that both fraction having the same denominator. So to compare them is become very easy. So now we compare their numerator. So since six is greater than 5, 6 is greater than 5. So students, you can see here, it means this 6 by 15, this fraction is greater than 5 by 15, 5 by 15. So it means this, the equivalent of this fraction is of 6 by 15 is 2 by 15, 2 by 15. So it means 2 by 15 is 2 by 5, 2 by 5. So it means 2 by 5 is greater than 1 by 3. So students, in this way you can compare any two unlike fraction. So procedure is the same for making the for the comparison of the two unlike fraction. First of all, we have to find out the LCM of their denominator. LCM of their denominator 5 and 3. So you will get 15. Now we make their denominator same as the LCM. ठीक है, जितना LCM आया है उसके बराबर आपको डिनोमिनेटर सेम करना पड़ेगा. For converting them, for getting the 15 as a denominator, we have to multiply 3 with the denominator, and with the same number we have to multiply numerator also. So 2 into 3 we shall get the 6, and 5 into 3 we shall get 15 here. So student, again in the same manner we can convert the second fraction also into the like fraction. For making their denominator same, we have to multiply by 5 and in numerators and denominator with the same numbers. So after multiplying, we shall get 5 by 15. Now we compare their numerator. Now denominators are same. So since we compare their numerator, so we find here 6 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5 here. So it means the fraction having the greater numerator will be the greater, and the fraction having the smaller numerator will be smaller. So now we find that 2 by 5 is greater than 1 by 3. So student, in this way we can compare any two fractions. So thank you for watching my video.